Melissa, welcome to Flying Wheels.
Hi.
What do you drive?
2015 Honda Civic.
When did you buy it?
2 years ago.
What time of year?
Probably like spring.
Wrong time of year to be buying a car. Hey everyone, YouTubers all over the world, welcome. It's Craig from Flying Wheels once again with another car dealer trick and tip that you need to know. Alright, this is a good one. Here's another one. So I own a car dealership. Subscribe if you want more car info, how to flip cars, how to make some money, knowledge about cars, whatever is car related. You'll get it here, so make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell so you get a notification every time we make a video. And don't forget to like this video if it doesn't completely suck. Alright, let's get started. It's January. So every year is a cycle, all right? We have January and everyone's broke. We have February and everybody has money. We have March and then April and everybody's broke again. And then summer, everyone's on vacation. And then we have the fall, everyone's buying their cars for the winter. And then think about Christmas again. So this business is a cycle. So I know when to buy cars, when not to buy cars, when to stock up on cars. Right now, again, is January. So if you figure everybody spent all their money at Christmas, they're broke. Everyone is broke, so no one is buying cars right now. They're all waiting for those tax dollars. They all want the tax checks. So what does that mean for you? Prices are low. If you're buying cars right now, you should be stocking up, filling your lot with cars that are affordable, tax money cars. Figure people get $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 in cash when their tax checks come back and they can't wait to spend them. So if you buy your cars when people want them, you're already too late. It's too late. You should have bought them already. I bought them in December and I bought them in January. When people were thinking about Christmas, I stocked up on cars. Now that everybody's broke in January, I'm stocking up on cars. I'm cleaning them. I'm fixing them. I'm just listing them. I haven't sold many cars at all this month. It's slow every January and it's okay. I anticipate it and I save and I know my bills are paid. My lot is completely full. My lifts are completely full. I'm not even doing any outside service work. I'm only working on cars that I own because I want to get them cleaned. I want to get them inspected. I want to get them safe for people and I want to get them ready for sale. They're already up on my website. So now what's going to happen? They're going to sit here for another month and a half. Well, this year Trump and his wall is really pushing everybody back on their tax returns. So usually people can't wait to get those W-2s, and February 1st my phone starts ringing like crazy. It might get pushed back a little bit this year, but no matter what, those people are gonna get their tax checks and they're gonna spend them. So you should be buying your cars right now if you haven't already. You should have bought them last month, but go out and buy them while they're cheap. Because once the demand is out there, the prices skyrocket. So when the demand is out there and the supply starts dwindling, the prices go up. It's too late. You should have done this a long time ago. Think ahead. So go out and buy those cheap tax cars right now. Get prepared to make some money. Hustle now. That way, once February, March, and April come, you just have to sit back and let your phone ring and start collecting that cash. So come April, every single year, this car lot that's doubled up with cars right now is empty. You'll see all these spots right here empty. And you know what? Come April, I go on a nice lavish vacation with my family and I make some memories with my family and make up for all that hard work that I did during the tax season when I hustled for 3-4 months hard and then save, because after tax season, people are broke again. So don't go out and spend all the money like everybody else does when they get those tax checks. Get all that money, make all that money, and save it. Hang on to it, because April comes, the prices are through the roof on cars. Everyone's broke again, and they're not buying anything till June, July again. So make sure you anticipate the seasons. Know the tax season is coming up. Know that you're going to make some money, but plan ahead. You guys should be buying cars already. If you're planning on flipping some cars, buy them, own them while the prices are low. No one's selling any cars right now. My phone hasn't rang all day, and if that's just me, it's everyone out there. Everyone out there is trying to sell stuff and not. So you should be out there buying. Go online, go on Craigslist, go on eBay. People are getting desperate. They're broke from Christmas. Buy those private party cars, because in a month and a half, they're gonna be gone. You wanna own them now so you can sell them to the people that can't wait to get their tax checks and need those cars, cash in your pocket. All right, it's good info. Make sure you remember it. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell for more notifications so I can give you more car dealer knowledge, how to make money, how to flip cars, how to run a business, blah, blah, blah. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button so other people get to see this video. I'll see you guys all later. Peace out.